स्टंप की तरफ आई, पहला उनको विकेट मिला और उनका ये फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट का पहला विकेट, चौथा विकेट। और ये इसी गेंद की बात चल रही थी राजेंद्र की, एक गेंद अगर वो अंदर की तरफ
Hi all, welcome to Conversation Series by Kala Grantha, the Art of Team.
विकेट के सामने
First class cricket has always been a source of excellence talent. We have Pratik Jain with us today.
front of the wicket.
My name is Pratik Jain and I play for Karnataka Ranji Trophy team, and I have been in Bangalore since last 10 years, and I have played all the junior cricket for Karnataka from under 19, and I have completed my graduation this year.
How did your journey start into cricket?
Actually, when I was 14-year-old, so I came to Bangalore to play one private tournament, and here one of the guy called Ravi had seen my bowling, and he told me that you have very good talent. So if you want to, utilize your bowling talent, so you can pick cricket. And that time, before that I just play for fun, but after that actually I have taken it seriously, and I told my mom that I want to become cricketer and I will play cricket now. So at the age of 14 I decided it.
How was your journey through Ranji Trophy to play for Karnataka?
Actually it was really tough because, as you know, in Karnataka bowling lineup was really good at that time when I came to Bangalore. VKY, Abhimanyu Mithun, SS Tara, Chitrat Vinny, all of them, Ronit More, all of them were playing, and Ataratta was there, so it's really tough for me to make into the side. And if you will ask me, really it had taken 8 years to make me to the Ranji side, because I have played under 19 at the in the year 2012. I played under 19 and I got Ranji Trophy call into 2017. So it was really tough journey, each and every time I have to perform, and after performing also there my chance that every senior player is performing, especially Trinath Arvind was there. So for me as a left armer to replace Trinath Arvind, it was really tough. So journey was really tough, but I enjoyed that very my journey.
What was the challenging selection process among all the journey?
Actually, the challenging process is to track for Karnataka Ranji team only, because every time you have to perform in each and every tournament, you have to perform, and performance is one thing, but the the selection committee and the coaches, they are just seeing if you are deserving to play at that level or not. So to improve my bowling, Trinath Arvind helped me a lot in my bowling, and my trainer helped me a lot in my fitness to break that barrier and to get into the Ranji Trophy team. So according to me, the challenging selection process is to pick for Karnataka Ranji team.
How was your parents' support towards cricket?
Actually, I have told you that at the age of 14 I came to Bangalore to play one private tournament. At that time my parents are not that supportive, because I belong to a very small town from Madhya Pradesh. So my parents are usually they are telling me, okay, if you want to play cricket, so you just play for fun, but I want you to, study well and find your career in in education line or somewhere business line. But when I came to Bangalore and I played that tournament, and that a guy called named Ravi, he team my bowling, and then he told me some good thing that you have that potential to play cricket. And then I go back to my hometown. I just told my parents that I want to play cricket and I want to make it as a career. Then my parents was straight away they told, no, there is no way that we are letting you play cricket. That focus on your studies. It took me 1 year to convince them that no, I want to play cricket, let me go Bangalore, please. So it took almost 1 year to convince them, and then at last, by the grace of God, I am able to convert my parents, and then they, starting supporting me. Because in the starting stage, my father told me that I will give you only 1 or 2 years. If you will achieve something, and if we will feel that yeah, you can achieve something in cricket, then only we will allow you to continue the game. And by the grace of God, when I came to Bangalore at the age of 15, and next year only I got a chance to play for under 19 Karnataka. So after that, my parents had supported me a lot.
Who supported you the most always in your journey?
My mother. Every time when I am upset, when I am not performing well, and I am little down that mom, her performance is not coming, how I will play higher level. Every time she used to told me that you just have to believe in yourself. You have excellent talent, and you are doing really good. Just be patient, be calm, and you will achieve really high things in your life. Every time, even if I will not do nothing also, then also my mother used to support me, and every time she used to tell me, no matter what, you are going to achieve your dream one day. So my mother is really supportive.
Which is your most memorable match till now?
It was my, there are two actually. One was when I got a debut cap from Trinath Arvind in 2018 against Gujarat. So I played my debut match. That was my memorable moment. And this year there are two moments when I won Vidayadare trophy, because in the final match I got chance to play in Vidayadare trophy, and we won the trophy. So that moment was also really memorable. And one was this year when I took 5 wicket haul in Ranji Trophy, my first 5 wicket haul. So you can say that three moments are best moments of my life till date in cricket.
How is the COVID crisis affecting the current status of games?
Actually, if you can see, then it is only affecting the game, because you have seen from March there is no cricket. We are not able to do training properly. We are not able to, prepare for the next season. And as you know that importance of training in our field, so we are not able to do gym, and we are not able to play any matches because of coronavirus. KPL is not happening this year. Timapaya tournament is not happening this year. League is not happening. So the last season what we have taught to improve in our bowling, in our skill, in our fitness, right? So we are not able to do that this year because of coronavirus. So really it is affecting a lot. And as you know that KPL is such a big tournament for us to showcase our talent, and to play under light and everything. So according to me, it is affecting only. There is nothing good happen to cricketer because of coronavirus. It affects a lot.
Tell us about your education and how did you balance cricket and education?
Actually, my education journey is little bit like that only, because after 10th I have done everything open schooling. Means my 11th, my 12th, my degree, I have been not going to college. That I have joined one open college, and from there I have completed everything. So when I joined cricket, after that my most of the focus in improving my fitness and my bowling and everything. So I have not studies I have done, but I am not that focused on my studies, because my main aim was something different. So for me it not that difficult, because I have done everything open schooling. But at the time of exam, that 1 month was really a hectic for me, because I have to study and then I have to train. and then I have to play matches. So that 1 month of my, studying period was really tough when my exams used to come.
Which was the most challenging time for you in your career?
Actually, the most challenging time for me in my career was in 2017, August 9th, because at that time I am in Bangalore preparing for KPL and my father is suffering from brain hemorrhage. He was admitted in hospital for 1 month. He was in the ITU, and you just can't imagine how I feel because I can't go home to see him because I have to play KPL. So the whole 1 month my father was in ITU and I was playing KPL here. So every time the phone rang and the phone call came from my home or my mother called me, so my hand was just shivering to pick the phone. You know that my father is in ITU and doctor told that we can't tell anything until he comes out of the ITU. So at that moment, every day, every time I used to cry and I don't know what to do in my career because my father is in ITU and I want to play KPL here. So the time, that time was really hard for me because in some days, actually at that time I came to know that how life changed in some days. On 5th of August, I got picked as a highest paid fast bowler in KPL, and on 8th of August, the news came to me that our father is suffering from brain hemorrhage and he is in ITU. So after that, everything changed in my life because everything now I have to look for. My father have a workshop that growth totally, and then I have to look after his treatment and my family, and then to me and my sister education. So in some days my life had changed totally. So that time was really hard for me to make that decision either to stay and play cricket or either to just quit the cricket and go back home and do something else. That time was really hard for me.
If you wanted to play in IPL, which team would you want to play for?
Actually, my favorite team is KKR. If I want to get picked in IPL, so I wish that KKR that picked me because I like the team, the atmosphere, and everything about KKR.
What is your biggest dream till now?
Actually, you all know that what cricketer has a biggest dream. Obviously, we want to play for our country and do well for our country so that we can, make our country proud. With we get a chance. So it's my biggest dream to play for my country.
How do you feel about this interview?
Yeah, it is good. Because we also get a chance to interact and share our feeling through you, and it is really a good experience for me, and it was good that at this time also there are some people who are looking around youngster and cricketer to know their what going on what going in it in their mind and what are their plans. So it feeling really good.
Thank you for your time and sharing your experience with us.
First class cricket का पहला विकेट, चौथा विकेट और ये
For more conversation series, workshop, regular classes and performances, do not forget to follow, like, subscribe and share our page. That is Kalagrantha, the Art Hub.
Juneja had the habit of staying on to that crease, and here also there was hardly any footwork.